Today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve laptop does not show the USB drive in the boot menu. If a USB drive isn't showing in the boot menu on a Lenovo IdeaPad 320, you'll need to access the BIOS or UEFI settings to ensure the USB drive is recognized and can be selected as a bootable device. To access the BIOS settings, how to using the Novo button. Locate the Novo button. It's usually on the side or near the power button. Turn off the laptop. Ensure the laptop is completely shut down. Need safety pin or SIM ejector pin. Press the Novo button. Press and hold the Novo button with safety pin or SIM ejector pin. Select BIOS setup. Once the BIOS setting comes up, then go to the boot options bar menu. After coming to the boot options bar menu, then select the USB boot option. You see my USB boot option is disabled. You need to enable the options. To enable USB boot options, go to USB boot option and hit enter, then enable the boot options. To enable BIOS settings after enabling, save the BIOS setting by pressing F10 key on your keyboard. Your laptop will restart as soon as you save the BIOS settings. When the boot menu comes, you see that your USB bootable drive option is now showing in the boot menu. This way you can fix the problem very easily. You can easily fix this problem by default BIOS to fix the problem. Now you can boot the laptop effortlessly with a pen drive. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.